mahjong to everybody. I'm sure you guys are sick of the history of how we got here today. Well, let's take a little bit of a break and see where we are today. I'm going to get you guys involved in our Christmas holiday decoration that I will be putting up our tree. And well, actually Carl already put up the tree, so I'm going to be decorating the tree and get ready for Christmas holiday get together with my family. Come along and enjoy this video. So I just got myself the brown sugar shaken espresso from Starbucks, but I got it from Target, really. And I'm gonna try it out. And I like some heavy whipping cream with my coffee. Top it off with some heavy whipping cream. It's all the calories, who cares? Let's drink up. We have a lot of work to do today. Oh, that's good. That is very good. Let's go. right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that mini break from all the history lessons from Krakow. Yeah, so this is very simple Christmas decoration for those of you who has young children, as we do. We have two of them. One is 2 years old and the other one is, just turned 4 months this month. So we are very excited for him to have his first Christmas. Thank you so much for watching. And those of you who subscribe, thank you so much. I know you see we have potential, and we really do, we promise. Keep subscribing, keep watching. That will motivate us to create more videos for you guys. I cannot wait to show you guys our renovation right now. It is so exciting. We are just waiting to throw out all of the history, all of the filming that we've done for many years, to show you guys that we have a lot of potential and a lot of cool stuff to show you guys. You're going to be very excited if you subscribe and follow us. Give us thumbs up, comment down below what you want to see, or if you're excited to see what we have in store for you guys.